Today's tutorial is going to talk to you about how to access your Microsoft 365 account from the My D2C portal and how to use that system to create Word documents and then how to upload those documents into D2L. The first thing we're going to do when we sign into the portal is click the Resources button. Scroll down to Technology and choose Office 365. If you are already signed in, it will give you a page such as this one. If you are not already signed in, then you will get a sign-in page, and what you will need to do is type in your full Delaware Tech email address, including the dtcc.edu. Once you have that, this is the page that you should be able to access. To start a new document, you would click Word, and then New Blank Document. What will pull up is an online version of the Word program. You can see here that I have the edit bar and it looks the same or close to what you would find in a general Word program. If you do not have this bar at the top, then you would need to click View, and over here you would choose Take off the simplified view. I've already done that, so mine looks pretty standard. So if I am creating a document, let's say I wanted to create a references page, it would be very simple to edit this the same as I would in any Word program. So this is where you would find your paragraph information. And from here I could go to create a standard reference. So once I'm done with what I want to do, I would go in and I would title my document. Microsoft 365 automatically saves, so you don't need to go in and save your document separately. But if you wanted to upload this as a document into D2L as an assignment, you would go into your course. Currently I'm logged in as a student. Find the submission link for what you want to upload. And you would click Choose Existing. Once you click Choose Existing, it's going to give you the option to choose OneDrive files. That's where your Microsoft 365 files are saved. You will get a box that looks something like this one. If you have a lot of documents in there, it's going to start off with the oldest, and then go to the most recent. So you may have to page forward several times to get to the document that you were just working on. Once you have paged through to the document that you want, you would click that document and then hit Add. The document is now loaded as a docx file into D2L. Then you would just hit Submit, and then your instructor would get the assignment. If you wanted to make changes to the document and resubmit it, you would have to go back in and choose the existing all over again. It will not automatically update the file like Word does. So if you needed to submit it again, you would just go back in and follow the same steps.